recipe for you that is going to be a great breakfast or afternoon snack. This is going to be an espresso ricotta toast, okay? Bear with me. Do not knock it until you try it. I promise this is delicious. Okay, so what you're going to need for one serving, which is 2 pieces of toast, is you will need to toast and butter your bread, set that aside, and then you're gonna go ahead and take a 1/2 cup of whole milk, ricotta, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/2 tablespoon of finely ground espresso. So what I did is I took that and I ran that through my Soyabella machine to get that really nice and finely ground. And you're just gonna mix this together as well as you can. You are also going to use some sea salt and some honey to drizzle over the top of this after you mix it together and spread it on your toast. But this is, again, something very quick, something different, and it's delicious. The ricotta and the vanilla and the espresso all give it a nice sweet flavor for your toast. You're just gonna take that and spread it out nice and thick on your toast. I do suggest using a thicker sliced bread. This one is one that's lower carb, but it's still a thicker seed bread. I like that more dense texture to it since this is a heavier topping. So we're gonna spread this on as so. I'm trying to show you how quick this can be. And you can make this as thick as you want. I'm not using all of it in here. I'll probably make another piece of toast if I wanted to. And you're just gonna sprinkle on some sea salt for a little bit of that salty flavor and some texture. I like coarse ground sea salt on mine. I like the texture. Sprinkle this on. And then honey that we're gonna just drizzle over the top of this. And bada boom, we are finished. And here is a delicious, super fast breakfast, afternoon snack, meal, whatever you want to call it, that you can utilize some of our LifeBoost espresso for you to enjoy. As always, if you try this recipe, please let me know what you think and let me know if you change anything up. I love to hear your opinions and your tips. Thanks and have a great day.